One simple word: ice cream. We all love ice creams with a recipe you haven't tasted before. Hello everyone, this is Simi and welcome back to SimplisticSimz. In today's video, we'll be learning how to use the Amul cream to get the scoopable soft ice cream that you eat outside. Problem with the Amul cream is when you try use it for the ice cream, you still end up having crystals in your ice cream. Follow the exact same procedure that I'm going to show you in my video and you're definitely going to get the ice cream which is soft in texture. Let's start today's recipe with Kaju Kishmish Kewra Ice Cream.
I'm using the Amul cream because this is most challenging to work with. Also the cream which is readily available in the market. You can take any other cream. Just scoop out 1 cup thick cream. Please do not use the liquid part of the cream. Now just place it in the freezer for 45 minutes. Now take the cream out from the freezer and place your cream over the container filled with ice in it. Now with the help of hand blender, just whip it nicely. We need to whip it until we get the stiff peaks. These are the soft peaks. That means we need to whip a little bit more. Now these are the stiff peaks. It took me exactly 5 minutes to reach this consistency. Now take the container and turn it upside down. If the cream doesn't fall, that means it's perfect. Now add condensed milk. Here I am adding 3/4 cup and just mix it well. Now it's time to add some flavors to your ice cream. So here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of Kewra essence. It's a very strong flavor, so don't add too much of it. It's okay if you don't have it. Your ice cream will still taste wonderful. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now add some chopped cashews and some raisins. Now take the hand blender and whip it again, because after adding the condensed milk, it tends to lose its fluffiness. So this step will ensure to get it back. Now here I am adding homemade Tooty Fruity. Just incorporate the Tooty Fruity gently into the mixture and do not whip it again. If you want to learn how to make Tooty Fruity at home, just leave it in the comments for me to know, and I will make a video of it for you. Now transfer it into the freezer safe container. Cover it with the cling wrap or the aluminum foil. Make sure all the corners have been sealed. Now pop it into the freezer for another 2 hours. Now after 2 hours, take out the ice cream from the freezer and just smush it. If you're using Amul fresh cream, then please do not skip this step, or else you'll end up having ice crystals in your ice cream. Now level it back again and then cover it with the cling wrap or the aluminum foil. This time it's going into the freezer for the last and final round. So while covering it up, try to get as many bubbles out as you can and freeze it for 6 to 8 hours. Take the container out from the freezer and let it sit for 5 minutes. Now scoop out the soft ice cream into the serving bowl. And enjoy before it melts. Please press the like and the subscribe button if you want to let me know that you're enjoying my recipes. We'll meet back again with another wonderful recipe. For now, take care and bye-bye.